Every day I'm looking for new products to sell, so here's my top winning products of the day. If you're looking for a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, then our next product is definitely for you. It's the Portable Pocket Atomizer USB Chargeable. Now this product is a definite problem solver, and it's the perfect product to sell during the pandemic, as you can fill it with alcohol to disinfect pretty much anything. And this product fits neatly in a girl's handbag, and it falls under the self-care niche market. We also think that this product has a broad market base. Now, you'll have to make some special offers to increase your profit margin. And we also think that this product is perfect for a one-product store. Now, the selling price for the Portable Pocket Atomizer USB Chargeable is just under $18, whereas the product cost is only $3.77. Shipping will set you back $2.68, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $11.54. It's the LED Nightlight Jellyfish Aquarium. Now this is without a doubt a cool and quirky product with a definite wow effect. It's an evergreen product, you can sell this product all year round, and we also think it has a broad market base. You can sell this product to a lot of people in different countries. And this product is ideal as a gift or for kids. Now, there are different suppliers with different shapes and sizes for this lamp. And we also think that this product has a lot of untapped potential. So far, there have only been a few orders on AliExpress, so you can definitely take advantage of this. Now, the selling price for the LED Nightlight Jellyfish Aquarium is just under $40, whereas the product cost is only $12.85. Shipping will set you back $2.21, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $24.93. Our next product is the 6 Fingers Controller. Now this is an obvious problem solver, it's an evergreen product, and the phone gaming niche is getting bigger and bigger as more and more games are released on phones. For example, the games Call of Duty and PUBG are trending right now on social media. And there are other similar products that sold very well in the past on the market. And this product has a high perceived value, and it comes with high quality photos on the supplier's page that will help you sell it. And finally, this product is a proven seller on AliExpress with thousands of orders. Now the selling price for the 6 Fingers Controller is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $8.99. Shipping will set you back $1.55, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $19.45. Our next product is the Shark Life Vest for dogs. Now this is an obvious problem solver, it's a fun and quirky product, and it falls under the dog's pet niche market. And it's the perfect product to sell during the summer season, as a lot of people will bring their dogs with them on vacation. And it's easy to target this product via Facebook to different dog race groups on Facebook. Now this product comes with a very engaging video ad that will draw a lot of attention. Now this is not a new product, but it sold very well last year, and it's perfect for a one product store or a pet niche store, and it comes in different colors and sizes. And finally, this product is a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the Shark Life Vest for dogs is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $8.70. Shipping will set you back $3.18, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.07. Looking for a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders? Then our next product is definitely for you. It's the anti-sagging wire-free bra. Now this is an obvious problem solver, it's an evergreen product, and it falls under the beauty, self-care, fashion niche market. We also think that this product has a broad market base, it's obviously targeted at women, and this product will give you a good profit margin, but you can increase it with some special offers like buy 2 and get 1 free. And this product comes in different colors and sizes. Now the selling price for the anti-sagging wire-free bra is just under $23, whereas the product cost is only $2.65. Shipping will set you back $2.82, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $17.46. If you're looking for a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, then our next product is definitely for you. It's the natural mosquito repellent. Comes in 60 and 300 pieces. Now this product is an obvious problem solver, and anti-mosquito products always trend every summer season. Now this product falls under the kids, baby, parents niche market, but can also fall under the camping niche market. And we also think that this product has a broad market base. Now there are different packages available for this product. So you can have a cheap cool price, but many people will buy the 300 pieces package if you have the right marketing offer. Now the selling price for the natural mosquito repellent that comes in 60 and 300 pieces is just under $15, whereas the product cost is only $1.64. Shipping will set you back $1.58, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $11.77.